1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is watermelon, and the watermelon color is green. This is carrot, and the carrot color is orange. This is capsicum, and the capsicum color is red. This is grapes, and the grapes color is purple. This is guava, and the guava color is green. This is orange, and the orange color is orange. This is pineapple, and the pineapple color is yellow. This is mushroom, and the mushroom color is orange. This is apple, and the apple color is red. And the last one is pear, and the pear color is yellow. Which one is grapes? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. It is grapes. Which one is watermelon? Is this? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. Which one is Carrot? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is carrot. And the carrot color is orange. Which one is guava? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is guava. Which one is apple? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is apple. And the apple color is red. Which one is orange? Is this? No. Is this? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is orange. Which one is pear? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is pear. And the pear color is yellow. Which one is mushroom? Is it? No. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is mushroom. Which one is pineapple? Is it? No. Is it? Yes. This is pineapple. Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? And the last one is apple? No. Orange? No. Pineapple? No. Then what is this? This is capsicum, and the capsicum color is red. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe.